Hello, it's Marguerite from Make with Marguerite. This is my December daily album. I put it together actually, I was very organised, in October, and I really recommend doing it. It was really fun and I'm so looking forward to taking the photos to fill it. Or else you can take the photos during December and then have it as a January project. I put everything together for you as a kit. So the base of it is a 6x8 craft album. And then it's got this lovely sparkle glimmer paper. We're using that throughout because who doesn't want a bit of sparkle at this point? And the other basis of the project is the Santa's Workshop Memories and More cards pack. It's just perfect because this is one of their cards, another card here, and bits and pieces I've used all over. That's upside down, there we go. So let me show you. Oh, and then Poppy Parade is the one of the main colours, so I'm using the Poppy Parade ribbon here as well. So we started with a acetate page that we're using, again, Poppy Parade, and then throughout we have the tags denoting the day, and these are actually, the base bit here is a sticker that comes in the Memories and More pack. So what I had suggested here was maybe a photo of our advent calendar. But let me just take you through. And then here I've got maybe some, sometimes I won't actually take photos and it might just be some journaling. So here I've thought about maybe our favourite Christmas films, our Christmas tree. And here is letters to Santa. I hope you all still do those, however old you might be. So it might be a photo in here, but I've got a lovely envelope here that you can actually slip a copy of the letter in if you're not posting it. So again, this is just a Memories and More card and one of our envelopes, some of our window sheet, all put together to look beautiful. Perhaps by the 6th we might have some wintry weather, so it might be the time to have photos of that. And I've been teased about this one already, but you know how in Costa they have the Christmas cups, so obviously I'll need one of those there. Up here, I'm not sure you can see the sticker well enough, it says Christmas music, and that's one of the most exciting things for us in our household is when we get the Christmas CDs out or have the playlist going. So I'll just take you through gradually. So here's, I said, maybe a photograph of our favourite decoration, and here will be maybe our Christmas cards that I'm making and sending. Again, the Christmas cake. So if we're organised, we'll have made that in advance on Stir Up Sunday. And I might even put the recipe in for future. So I've got another of those lovely envelopes here. Yeah. So I have a whole project list of how to make this, and also lots of suggestions of photos you might want to take. So you'll probably find that you have slightly different traditions, but actually I've got a list of over 30 ideas, so I'm sure there'll be plenty there for you. And then you get to Christmas Day. You can carry on if you want for the rest of December, but I've chosen to stop there. And the supplies in the kit really just take you to that point. So I have got the numbers for the rest of the month, and I had a few extra little bits left over, but that is all you'll be left with at the end. So if this is a project you fancy making and you would like the kit, you obviously get instruction sheets with it and detailed photos. Please be in touch on my email account, which is mjmoran@btinternet.com, as listed below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.